Good morning, children. Welcome back to the online class of Sri Gokulam Public School, Guruvayur. I am Swati, your IT ma'am. Children, in our last class, we have discussed about three types of cascading style sheets. So today we are going to discuss about background properties that we can apply to different elements of our HTML document. For that, here we are using embedded style sheets. So here you can see various background properties like color, image, repeat, position and attachment. Now let's see how can we apply these properties to our HTML document. The first one is background color. As its name says, it is used to set the background color of the HTML element. So here you can see the syntax or the rule to be applied while we are using this. Background color colon value, where value can be color or RGB color code. So all the RGB color codes or colors you can see on page number 105 in your textbook. Okay. So that's how you apply different color. So here you can see an example in which we applied the yellow color. So see children. So this is how you can see your HTML document and web page. Okay. So that's about background color. Now the next one is background image, which we use to add an image in the background of our HTML document. So this is the syntax: background image colon value, where value is the URL, that means the path of the image. So this is how we apply. Yes, background image colon URL. URL means the path. Okay. So see children, this is how we can see our background image. Okay. Now the next one is background position, which helps us to place the picture or image at a desired place on our document. Okay, so by default an image can be seen at the top left corner. So this is the syntax: background position colon value, where value can be expose ypos, which specifies the horizontal and vertical position in units of length. Okay, then x percentage y percentage, which means horizontal and vertical position in percentage. Like we can give the value like that. Okay. Now the next one is top, center, bottom, left, center, right. So we can use these keywords to specify the vertical and horizontal position values. Okay. So that's how we place the picture at desired place. And the next one is background repeat, with which we can set the repetition pattern for the background image. So by default, a background image is repeated in both horizontal and vertical conditions. Now this is the rule or syntax, that is background repeat colon value, where value can be no repeat, which means image will not be repeated. Repeat x, which means image will be repeated horizontally. Repeat y, which means image will be repeated vertically. And default value, which means image will be repeated in both the directions. Okay, so now we have discussed about background color, background image, background position, background repeat. Now the last one is background attachment. So it is used to either fixing the image in the background or make it scroll when the user scrolls the rest of the page. Okay, so this is the syntax: background attachment value, where value can be given as fixed or scroll. Okay, so this is how we apply different properties to our HTML document. Okay, these are the background properties. Children, in this HTML document itself, you can see. So here we have given a background image, like we specified the URL path. Okay, and the background position, yes, it is top center. And the background repeat, yes, it is no repeat, and background attachment, yes, it is given as fixed. Now see the web page. Yes, see it is in the top center position and it is not repeated, like we have given no repeat. Okay, and background attachment, it is fixed, so it is fixed, not scrolling. Okay, so this is how we apply different properties. Okay, so children, we have completed our this chapter HTML5, introduction to HTML5. So let's revise all the important topics of this chapter now. So what is HTML? Yes, hypertext markup language. So it is a markup language which is used to design web contents for the internet. Okay. So see children, what are the basic tools that we require to work with HTML document? Yes, the first one is HTML editor, that's for creating and saving the document. And the second one is browser for viewing the documents. Okay, and HTML code, it is made up of elements, tags and attributes. And what about HTML elements? Yes, they are of two types. Which are they? Container elements and empty elements. Container elements that include both on and off tag. Empty elements that contain only on tag. Okay. And the next we have learned the general structure of an HTML document. It has two sections, head section, body section. Head section contains the title that identifies the first part of an HTML document. Body section, where we do most of the work. Okay, like we apply different properties to our HTML document. Then everything, whatever styles or whatever properties that we want to apply on our HTML document, that we will apply through the body section. We will write that code in the body section. Okay, and the next we have learnt about CSS, cascading style sheets, which provides set of style rules which define the layout of HTML document. Okay, and there we have learned about three styles. What are they? Inline method, internal or embedded style sheet. Then the next one is external style sheet. Okay, and also we have learned about different background properties that we can apply to our HTML document. So that's about our chapter Introduction to HTML5. Okay, so read your textbook thoroughly and also try to do all the HTML codes that is given in your textbook itself. Okay, so that it will be more clear to you. So yes children, write down the notes and learn it well. And also attend the review test and send your answers. So we will see in our next class with a new chapter, that is CSS. It is a continuation of what we have studied in this chapter. Okay. So till then, take care. Bye.